Feeling great at the minute. My name's Paul Rigby. I'm from St Helens in England. Best decision I've ever made. I've had 4 implants at the top, 2 implants at the bottom with crowns. 24 crowns and 6 implants in total. No pain. You get the initial injection, but after that there's literally no pain. Painless, smooth, everything was really good. Oh, fantastic. I couldn't thank them enough for what they've done. It's changed my life, this. 100% recommend Dentafly. I've already sent 2 people over there from the UK from my first visit, but I 100% would recommend Dentafly to anybody else. 2 of my friends had come, so I came back with them when they was having the visit. So they came back, I came back for my first time. That's how we got to know you, but they were recommended by their friends and their friends. So it's been an ongoing process with people we know. Feedback, I can't fault you. Your service has been absolutely fantastic. Punctuality, even from the UK when I was texting you. Everything, I can't fault the service I've had with Dentafly. They've been fantastic.